Groove AI, a comprehensive guide boosting productivity and efficiency. You need look no further than Groove AI if you are ready to supercharge your productivity and efficiency. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Groove AI to boost your business. Groove AI is an innovative tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your workflow and help you get more done in less time. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a team, Groove AI can revolutionize the way you work. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Groove AI makes it easy to automate repetitive tasks, organize your projects, and collaborate seamlessly with teammates. Say goodbye to endless email chains and hello to efficient communication. But it doesn't stop there. Groove AI also provides valuable insights and analytics to help you identify bottlenecks and improve your process even further. With data-driven decision-making at your fingertips, you can optimize your productivity like never before. So whether you're looking to streamline your daily tasks or scale your business, Groove AI is the ultimate productivity tool you need. Get ready to take your efficiency to the next level. For more info, click the link below this video.